with this incoming na walk, run, and roll dito sa Milo, makakaikaya pa natin ang mga PWDs to live an active lifestyle kahit alam natin may mga kulang pa sila sa katawan o di kaya may intellectual disabilities na at pahalagaan natin of course yung contribution ng ating mga PWDs sa larangan ng sports. Of course, malapit na rin yung Asian Para Games sa Nagoya.
Again, itong fun run ito ay para sa lahat. No? Hindi na siya pang intellectual disability. Sabi ko yung mga developmental, emotional spectrums, no? ADHD, autism, Down syndrome, and many others. No? Hearing impairment, rare disease, cancer survivors, so all types of abilities no? Are welcome to join this fun run, no? Walk, run, and roll run activity.
So, kay Coach Joe at kay Ma'am, na-inspire ka ba pag nakikita natin yung mga kapwa na rin PWDs who are actively engaging in running, especially sa pag-engganyo sila na to do more sports niya and to hopefully see them, their growth and their good performances na kung sakali makakapasok sila na sa national team in the future?
Definitely po, sir. Gaya po na nabanggit ko po kanina, yung mga kabataan po na may kapansanan na makakasali po dito sa walk, run, and roll, isa po itong magandang experience po para sa kanila dahil, kumbaga, yung mga types na nasa bahay, sila nakikita lang nila yung mga ibang tao na naglalakad, nakaka-experience ng ganito ganyan. Sila mismo mararamdaman nila yan, sila mismo mararanasan nila yun. At isa rin sa mga bagay na hindi nila malilimutan dahil once in their lifetime, may experience nila ito at makikita nila na kaya pala maging inklusibo ang isang environment, kaya pala maging accepted ang mga gaya nila.
Okay, so Coach Joar, same question.
Yung perspective ko kasi sa pag-join sa mga ganitong activities is not just for the higher competition. Hindi ako doon nagpo-focus eh. Ang inaano ko is to influence them to go out, experience yung ganitong activities kasi life-changing yun eh. When they experience na makalabas, makasama yung mga kapwa nilang may kapansanan or ma-enjoy yung activity na yun, later on, sabi nga ni ko, magsisimula yan sa pinakamahina. Tapos, mag-elevate. Tapos, may makakainganyo ng iba. Lalaki yung community. Pag lumaki yung community, makikilala. Pag makilala na, doon na lang tayo mag-ano ng bonus na, ay, may naging isang para-athlete, may nakapasok sa national. Pero, bonus na yung part na yun eh. Yung pinaka-fulfilling kasi doon is you change life. Naka-encourage ka na may isang naka-wheelchair na laging nasa bahay lang, na-encourage mong lumabas, nakapag-exercise, tapos after nun, naging way of life niya na, and he live healthier. And then nagkaroon pa siya ng influence to the other physically impaired na mga atleta or natural na individual lang na hindi naman athlete. Yun yung namin. Yun yung pinaka-fulfilling sa akin. Changing their life.
Lastly, Kumawit, alam naman natin, Milo, as we strongly supported niya yung ating mga PWDs. May mga, this will be a good example na rin sa mga iba pa mga private sponsors or private individuals or groups na suportahan ang kanilang mga programa through the help of PPC, PSC, PhilSpada na ilaan nila ang, of course, yung tamang suporta sa ating mga kapwa na rin PWDs. Will this be a good example na rin sa mga kapwa nating mga private groups na tulungan ang ating mga PWDs sa sports sector? Maraming salamat po.
Ayun, no? But I don't want to use the word tulungan, no? But to actually give opportunity, to create opportunities for them because although this is inclusive, no? Since sinasama namin yung person with disabilities with the mainstream non-disabled group, no? This is a good start, no? And I actually would like to encourage the community to also adopt this kind of format, yung allowing the person with disability to play with the non-disabled. Not only in walking, running, and rolling, but also in what? Playing badminton, table tennis, whatever. Running together, swimming together, playing basketball. Pwede yun, no? It's happening already. And you can see some of them are even competitive. They can even do better than a non-disabled that they play alongside, no? And definitely, it is something to pursue yung mga, lalo yung mga sporting community, no? So, again, this goes beyond just this activity. So, I'm encouraging the community, the sporting community to allow, to invite, no, to create opportunities for persons with disabilities to play alongside with them in any sport.